are you doing?
Why's your hand jumping?
I know, what the fuck? You're weird. It's almost 2. And yeah, Cam just woke up. My hair keeps getting longer and longer.
I know, I'm looking like a hobo.
Alright, eat shit, Jackie. But I bought Mom like a little crock pot. It's not like super fancy, huh? Well, I mean, you can put it in like a cabinet or something. It's not an everyday thing, but it wasn't like super expensive. It's like, I don't know.
It's just the one that we can start off with.
Yeah, it's just for us. And it's machine washable, which is one thing that I wanted.
And I just wanted to start, I wanted to like make stews. And, I mean, I can make stews in a pot, but like it's not the same.
Well, yeah. So.
I like the carrots, the homemade carrots and stuff, but you didn't buy the carrots.
You can always buy carrots. You asked for like frozen carrots, and I was like,
yeah.
I don't think those exist. Well, they probably do. It's just you have to freeze them yourself.
This is our snack drawer.
Huh?
Pretty cool.
Okay. What's up? Oh, you want to come up?
Mama likes the Velveeta too.
But we're gonna make lunch, and it's gonna rain for like the next couple of days, which is kind of shitty. So, yeah. But it's totally fine because it's been super dry and the yard needs to get.
The grass is dying.
Yeah, like everything.
The backyard doesn't look too bad, but.
No, like the plants are probably like, thank you. But, yeah, it's honestly an inside day.
The front yard is dead.
Yeah, the front yard is just garbage. Like it's just.
Dead.
Yeah, like I didn't even mow. I was thinking of mowing. The neighbors mowed, but.
She said she only did a little bit.
Yeah, well, Terry mowed the back today.
Us not to, and then she did.
Yeah, well, she mowed the back, but yeah, it's like you can see like it's all just. And everybody's yard looks like this because it's literally been like 90 something degrees this whole time, and it's gross. Yeah, so sucks, but it's raining, so that's fine. Probably gonna make.
Next door's all dried up because it hasn't been raining.
Yeah, like everything's just disgusting.
But like 90 degrees.
Yeah, but we got a baby ham. Because every time I buy a ham, I always buy like the big one, and then we have so much ham left over. But now, like, we'll probably eat this one like,
2 days.
Yeah, if that. So, oh, and I bought a bunch of hamburger.
We stocked up hardcore today. Like, look at this.
Yeah, lunch meat, and it's organized, which is cool. And Mom got chocolate stuff.
Yeah.
But I don't know, man.
Organize the freezer a little better.
Yeah. We need like a big freezer.
The veggies are all at the
Because I feel like if I had a big freezer, I would just buy like an ass ton of meat all at once and then just like done.
Yeah.
Because meat, you can freeze it for like.
What these are, babe. Are those mozzarella sticks?
I don't know what they are.
You
took them out of the thing.
Box.
I don't know. Just take one and cut it open and see what's on the inside.
Too, yeah. It's not fish sticks. I think I have mozzarella sticks in there, baby. Oh, what happened? It's not closing at me.
No. I don't know what it is. It's weird. But yeah.
Oh, we have
So.
leftovers for lunch.
Huh?
We have leftovers for lunch. I mean, there's only enough for 2 people. We have the rice for, and then we also have the fish.
What, this tiny little mitt?
Yeah, something for Cam.
That's not lunch. Who wants hamburgers? Yeah. Because that's not lunch. That's like for him.
Yeah.
And then there's like one fish.
He might not eat a hamburger.
And the fry things over there.
You want
Anyway.
lunch? Or you want hash browns? That's what cream. You can't have that forever.
Right? No bueno. No bueno. But I don't know, we're gonna go figure out lunch and then hang out for a while. And it's definitely gonna be an inside day because it's raining.
We took a walk earlier to put Cam to sleep because he doesn't fall asleep in the house anymore else at bedtime.
It's gonna be shitty in the wintertime.
Yeah.
But oh well.
Playing outside while I cook. I thought I should capture the daddy and son moment. Cam's wearing his water shoes. He looks so handsome. Look at him, he found me. da. Say hi. He's okay. Alright, I gotta go back to cooking. I'm cooking some ham. Are you coming in from playing outside?
Yeah.
Are you all wet? Look at Daddy. You have fun? Are you guys going to the garage now?
Did you want the garage open?
He always wants the garage open.
Oh.
And they're out again. The first time, I don't know if they could hear the music in the background. Yeah. I'm still recording because you guys are so cute. Cam walked down the stairs by himself. Alright, love you. I would show you the garage, but it's usually messy. But yeah, I'm just cooking. I don't usually vlog myself because I get shy, but you know, that's my life. I just cut some potatoes and the ham's in the oven still. It's a small ham. I'm used to making big hams, but same old, right?